Blue Stars High Secondary School, Class 1, Subject English. Good morning children, have a nice day. Today we are going to see grammar exercises for singular, plural and is, are. And before that, I hope you are all revised common noun and proper noun. Isn't it children? Okay, everyone take your Grammarland book. Children, singular means what? Yes, singular means one noun. It includes only one thing. Okay, what is meant by plural? Yes, plural is a many thing. Okay. Singular and plural nouns. Singular nouns. A singular noun names one person, one place, one animal or one thing. One person, policeman, soldier, here doctor, etc. Come to second. One thing, doll, orange. One place, shop, bus. We use the word a, an or one before a singular noun. We use a and an before a singular noun. Okay. Come to plural nouns. A plural noun names two or more persons, places, animals or things. More than one person, 5 kings, 2 doctors, 3 policemen, etc. More than one place, 2 shops, 7 hills. More than one animal, 4 cats, 2 tigers, 3 lions, 4 zebras, etc. More than one noun, that is called a plural noun. More than one thing, 4 trees, 2 oranges, 4 apples, 4 bananas. More than one noun. We add yes to some singular nouns to show that there is more than one. Look here, an apple. What is that? Apple. An apple. There is only one apple. That is a singular one. Count how many apples there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 apples. 3 apples means plural. More than one noun is called a plural noun. Come to next example. What is that? Yes, that is a bird. There is only one bird. A bird is a singular one. Only one thing called a singular. Come to next. 4 birds. How many birds? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 birds on the tree. Isn't it? 4 means plural noun. More than one noun called a plural noun. Add yes to these words. Here there is singular noun. You have to add yes. It becomes a plural one. First one, goat. We add yes, that is goats. Change into a plural noun. Second one, pencil. Pencil is a one thing. More than one thing, we add yes, that becomes a plural. Pencils. Chair, chairs. Car, cars. Teacher, teachers. Ant, ants. Come to second one. Look at these pictures. Now fill in the blanks with the word in the box. Here the words are given in the box. The words are books, chairs, fruits, ears, shocks and boys. Okay children, that is a plural or singular? Yes, these words are end with yes, isn't it? Yes, if the word end with yes, that is called a plural one. Okay, come to first one. Shoes and what is the picture? Look at the picture. What is that? Yes, that is shocks, plural noun. Have to write shocks. Books and bags. Children, look at the picture. What is that? How many books are there? Yes, there are 2 books. 2 means plural noun. So, books and bags. Come, see the picture. What is that? Yes, that is the chairs. Because more than one noun is called a plural. There is 3 chairs, isn't it? So, tables and chairs. Come to next one. Look at the picture. there are boys. If there is one boy, it is a singular. If there is two boys, it is a plural. Right? Boys and girls. Come to fifth one. Eyes and ears. How many ears do you have? Do you have 1 year or 2 years? Yes, you have 2 years. 2 means plural. Eyes and ears. Sixth one. Look at the picture. There are many fruits in the bowl. Have to write fruits and vegetables. Children, if the word end with S, X, SH, CHO, you have to add ES. What you have to add? ES. The word end with S, H, X, O. You have to add ES. Children, add ES to these words. Look at the word. The word end with O, S, 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 H, H. If the word end with O, H, X, you have to add ES. Okay. Look at the picture. What is that? Yes. These are potatoes. You have to add ES. Come to second one. Look at what is that? Yes, that is a dresses. What you have to add? You add ES. The word end with S. You have to add ES. Come to third one. Brush. The word end with H. What you have to add? Yes, you have to add ES. Brushes. Then bunches. Then watches. Then princess. Look at these pictures and add S or ES. Here you have to carefully watch the picture and add S or ES. Look at the first one. What is that? That is a hat. Hats, isn't it? You have to add S. Come to second one. Boys. Have to add S only. Come to third one. Torch. The word end with H. What you have to add? ES. Torches. Next, dishes. Then pencils. The word end with O. Mangoes. Look at these pictures. Write the names of the thing you see. Add S or ES if there is more than one noun. First one. Look at the picture. How many shirts? Yes, there are 2 shirts. Have to add yes. Shirts. Come to second one. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 boxes. Come to third one. Count the picture. 1, 2. There are 2 set of shoes. Come to fourth one. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 books. Come to fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 trees. Have to add yes. Come to next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 ants. You have to add yes, ants. Children, next come to chapter 4, is and are. Okay, children. Let's revise. Is used for singular or plural? Yes, is used for a singular noun. Are used for a plural noun. We use is when we talk about one noun. I already told. If one noun, we use is. More than one noun, we use are. We use are when we talk about more than one noun. Isn't it, children? Okay. Let's see the example. This bag is small because bag is a only one noun. So we use is. Mukesh is tall. Here we talk about only one boy. So we use is. The chairs are very hard. Chair is a one noun. Chairs is a more than one noun. So we have to use are. Ali and Farid are in the market. Here we talk about 2 persons. So we have to use are. Look at these pictures and circle the correct word. Here have to look at the picture. Carefully you see the picture and circle the correct answer. First one, the monkey dash on the tree. Here is or are. Look at the picture. How many monkey there? There is only one monkey. If one noun, what you have to use? Yes, we use is only. So circle the is. Come to second one. The tree dash full of apples. Children, look at the picture. How many trees are there? Yes, there is only one tree. We talk about only one tree. So we use is when we talk about one noun. So circle the is. Come to third one. Tanya and Raju dash in the classroom. Here we talk about two persons. So we circle or. Next, the box dash green in color. How many boxes he have? Yes, he have only one box. So you circle yes. Come to next one. These dash my color pencils. Look at the picture. There are more color pencils there. More than one noun. What you have to use is or are? Yes, we use are for plural noun. Next, he dash happy. There is only one boy. So you have to use is. Children, today's homework is revise singular and plural and is and are in your grammar land book. See you in next class, children. Thank you.